Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and this is a reverse right angle triangle pattern and in this pattern numbers are repeated in each columns in an efficient way. Means in each columns numbers are constantly repeated. So we understand this pattern with the help of nested for loop. So nested for loop is a loop in which outer for loop inside another loop, that is called nested for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we takes three parameter. Firstly initialization, second check condition and third increment or decrement the value. So firstly we declare two variables that are used for outer and inner for loop. So we declare I and j variable for nested for loop. I variable is used for outer for loop and j variable is used for inner for loop. So firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we initialize I variable equals to 1 and check condition if I less than equals to 5 and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameter and we initialize j variable equals to 5 and check condition if j greater than equals to I and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print using printf function j variable of inner for loop. Because this is a column wise pattern, so we always used inner loop variable for printing the value of a variable. So we print j variable of inner for loop and outside this inner for loop we used backslash n, because backslash n is used for new line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line automatically. So when you compiled this program there is no errors and it is successfully compiled, and when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to understand or learn this pattern. This is an efficient and simplest way. And like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And if you have any concern, any questions, you can text me in the comment section. And I hope you all guys really enjoy the Django series from scratch. I know one